Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 17, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now I believe this phone actually takes SIM and SD card, but I just don't have an SD card around. But to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box somewhere, usually between paperworks. If you can't find it, you could just use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends. That's what I meant to say. Not sure what was such a tongue twister. And if it has the plastic wrapping, you can just cut it off. At that point, this should work as well as this tool dedicated specifically for that purpose. Now, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right here. So this cutout is the tray, and the little hole that is part of this cutout is where we want to insert our tool. You want to push it in, and there's so many new windows there. And at that point, the tray should pop out. And you can see on the tray, we have space for, on the top side, a SIM card. On the bottom side, SIM or SD card. Now, obviously, if you place a SIM card at the bottom, you want to be able to use SD card and vice versa. So it's interchangeable. But luckily, we can just pop in our SIM card at the top, like so, and at the bottom, you can occupy it with SD. Make sure that both cards are clipped in correctly. They do have retention brackets, so they should be holding in there firmly. And as you can see, the card shouldn't be falling out of the tray if it's there. Unless you drop it like I just did, like a dumbass. So let me just clip it back in. So it should be holding firmly in there. Should be completely flush too. And from there, just insert it back into your device. When you do so, the card should start working right away, as it did for me. Now, we need to confirm our SIM card PIN if you have one. If you don't, it will automatically become unlocked. Once you confirm your PIN, click right here on the check mark, and that's it. Now for SD card, once you pop it in, there's nothing else you need to do. The card would start working right away, just as a SIM card if you had no PIN. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.